Kentucky Derby! What do you got?
Trash bag at me. We are here at the Kentucky Derby.
There's the spires and there's the television setting up. There's the grandstands. We got the Jumbotron.
So mint juleps are the go-to drink here and they are $14. So we had a choice. We could either sit right there by the grandstand or by the fence and only see a little bit. But we chose a spot where we can see a little bit of the fence and we can turn around and look at the screen if we need to.
And it's not raining yet.
So this is the real Kentucky Derby that people don't necessarily talk about. We are in the rain. We got our raincoats, our tarps, our food hiding under there, and we're just chilling here for the next I think it's like 9 or 10 hours till the race.
Having fun. First race of the Kentucky Derby.
Here come the horses. We're really excited because we got little wristbands that got us undercover for 1 hour, and we got free juleps. We got an amazing view. The track is right there.
That's the finish line right down there. We're coming around. Emma's under there. Yeah, you can kind of see the outline of her hat. This is what it looks like. Real life Kentucky Derby. New update. 7 hours into the Kentucky Derby. And it is still raining.
Nice couple gave me this trash bag as a poncho.
Miss Emily, who are you wearing? Who are you wearing?
Hefty trash bags.
There's just a stream of trash and mud, and the only place to hide is under a trash can or in a trash bag. Still coming down. Well, we got the Tart team right there. Go, buddy, go. Still having fun. Not sure if you can tell, but it's still raining here. We got. She has no arms. And everyone's just out in the rain. All these cute outfits and everyone just soaked. Waited over 11 hours in the rain and it's finally about to start. Got a great view, the gate's right there. This is the gate and the last turn.
As the University of Louisville Choir and Marching Band lead us in My Old Kentucky Home.
They're being loaded in for the Kentucky Derby. Here they go. You excited?
Yeah, it's a Kentucky Derby.
They're in the gate. Outside bus is out.
Let's go too! They're coming around the corner! This is everyone leaving.
We did it! Big hat, no trash bag. Emmy is back.
We are now official horse race people. Last week we were at the Kentucky Derby and now we're back in Nashville at the Steeplechase.
It's amazing because we got here like 5 hours early, but we got to take a nap in our own home. This is the RV parks right here and the RV tailgating, which overlooks the track.
It's a little bit better conditions than what we had sitting in the rain and mud at the Kentucky Derby last week. Our awning is out. And the track is right behind those bushes right there. We have our AC cranking, we've got our fridge, our bathroom. Doesn't get much better than this. The third race is about to start. They're about to come running down this track here. Go, 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 go!
That's pretty cool, I need them right there. the horses.
M's climbing up so we can see the steeplechase on top of the RV.
We're on top of the RV, about to watch the race right here.
Woo!
I'm running out of time, every day goes by so fast. And every moment counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing.